There, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Jaw Speaks Digital. Here we are with another live streaming app. Today we are looking at BeLive. So with BeLive, you can live stream directly to Facebook and YouTube. I'm not quite sure if they have the capabilities to just go ahead and record, but you all know here on this channel, we are all about doing things with less tech and getting more digital, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at BeLive and let's do a quick overview of BeLive and see if it's something that you may want to use to live stream to your audience. So we're going to go ahead and click on try now. That's pretty cute. Okay, now we have our dashboard on BeLive. So if you look over to our menu bar, you have your start, you have your camera, you have the guest icon. If you want to add a guest, you have your share screen, you have add media, interested in live shopping. Oh, that's pretty cool. Widgets, you have text on screen. We have add and edit agenda. I like the edited agenda feature. Edit appearance. So we have all of those in our menu options over here. And then we have our chat, which is public, and then our host chat if we wanted to chat with our audience. So cool beans. I love that. I love this feature, right? This is a new feature that they've just enabled because I used to use BeLive, back in the day, and they didn't have all of these little cool widgets. So it's pretty cool to see those new updated widgets available on here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interested. I'm trying to click on that, but okay, we'll come back to that. So select the destination. So here on the destinations, we are going to, we can also do offline recordings. In order to do offline recordings, we do need to have looks like an upgraded account. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. Let's go ahead and connect Facebook. So we have Facebook here. We can do a scheduled post, our Facebook Live, on our timeline or in a group. So I have all of my group pages listed here that I have access to. And then I can post a description here. So we have all of that information here. Let's go ahead and connect our camera. So we have our camera settings. It's going to ask if you want to allow your camera. We're going to give it a yes on that. So here I am, my camera's on. So I am all set. So similar to our review that we did on StreamYard, and you can go ahead and I'll link to StreamYard's review in the comment section. Similar to StreamYard, you can actually just take it here and you can show in stream. You can click on it. So they have a similar setup as StreamYard. Now they do have the animated logo here for BeLive, which is pretty cool. But you have some, it looks like you have some actual abilities to place some, or maybe that's, this is for the comment section, I think. Yeah, for comments. Okay, awesome. So this is upgraded a lot since I've used it. It's been years since I used their platform. So we want to add a guest. We're going to go ahead and click and copy that. I'm going to send it to myself and be right back. All right, so we are back and I have myself here on the screen. Hey, that is Jessica number 1. And what I'm noticing here is our lower thirds. Let's go ahead and grab our lower thirds like we did inside of StreamYard. So here are, let's go ahead and place. And let's go with that. I'm going to show. And here I am. Here's my lower third, right? Add crawler. So I'm guessing the crawler just goes across the screen. So we're going to put the bit.ly slash the how to store, which is our how to store where you can get your lower thirds. You can get lower thirds. You can get GIF templates to add on to your live stream. So cool. Yes, they have the same sort of ability. So it looks like we have a bit of a fight going on here, right? Between StreamYard and BeLive. StreamYard and BeLive. So cool beans. It looks like they have sort of the same type of back end dashboard. Let's take a look at some of the other features they have here. So we can add media, which we could not do in StreamYard. We can actually add some media here. So link to a YouTube, or okay, let's see if I still have my YouTube video. go ahead and add the link here and push to staging. Let's see where that goes. Okay, so now we have a video link that we can place inside of BeLive. So this is a really cool feature, right? I love that feature. Let's go ahead and hide that, and we're going to leave our bar underneath. I love this feature, BeLive. This is a cool feature. So with this, what we can do is we can actually take, now we can take our countdown timer. So we're going to go to upload media. Give it a minute. Okay, so we can add in our countdown timer. I absolutely love this feature. This is a really great feature. So we have our countdown timer. We have, we're going to wait for that to finish uploading here in just a second. What's really great about this too is you can actually probably take your countdown timer, upload it to YouTube, and you can get the countdown timers that I have here at bit.ly/thehowtostore. You can edit them in Canva, and you can place your own branding, your picture, all that good stuff. You download the timer. Oops, I'm hitting the microphone. Oops. You can download the timer, and you can actually play it inside of your BeLive stream. How awesome is that? Page here looks like you can create an agenda. So let's put an agenda here, which is really great for somebody like me, who I'm always like going off and veering off into something else instead of staying on topic. So we can put like how to add your count. Might want to spell count right, Jessica. Oh Lord. There. Countdown. Down timer. Okay. And then add another item, which would be oh, and that's cool. You can make it visible to everyone or just visible to yourself. So let's say how to add your countdown timer. Next one is how to download your video. Okay. And then so on and so forth. You guys kind of get the gist. But if I wanted to start it here, I can go through and it'll just pop up for me. Super duper cool. I actually love that feature, because now I can go in and I can go to the next thing that I want to talk about and I'll stay on topic. And it's kind of a checklist for us creatives who have the brains that just go woo all over the place, right? And we're like, oh, I want to tell you this and I want to tell you that, I want to tell you this, I want to tell you that, and I want to show you this and I want to show you that. Now we can stay on topic. So with all of that being said, we have our countdown timer. Okay, it's now to 1. Now we can go in and we can show ourselves on screen and we can start our video, and we can hide this and go, hey there, welcome to our BeLive with me, Jessica. I go by Jaw Speaks. If it is your first time here, and if you're new to the Jaw Speaks Digital universe, then I want you to type in the chat or down in the comments, wherever you are, on whichever platform you're on, say what's up, say hello. If you are you always follow me, then say what's up. So something like that, right? You start your intro somewhere like that. And that's how you work that countdown timer and move it into your intro. It's just a way for you to look highly professional and move your streams up to the next level, right? While I'm sitting in the dark. I know my light is off and it's really hot outside, so I'm not turning it on. So anywho, back to this tutorial on BeLive. All right, so now I'm just going to show you guys kind of some other things that BeLive can do. They can actually connect to Facebook. So if you have BeLive connected to your Facebook, it'll show some of your Facebook photos from your image gallery. So I'm just going to scroll through and show you some of the images that I have here on Facebook that I thought were really cool. And since we had like really bad popping sounds, I decided to do a voiceover on this particular part of the video. So here we're going to upload or share the screen, excuse me, and you can share your screen. You see, I chose to share my screen onto a countdown timer. You can get these countdown timers at bit.ly/thehowtostore, which you see scrolling across the screen on that banner there. So what's really great about this is you can customize them. You can put whatever graphics you want to place on them of yourself, so on and so forth. So here we also have an option within BeLive to change the appearance of the screen. Now this is a premium feature, so you'll actually need to pay for this feature in order to do so, right? You can add your logo on there and remove BeLives. Of course, you got to pay for that. Overlays, got to pay for that as well. And eventually here I'll click on backgrounds. and you have to pay for that, but it is an upgraded part. So let's see how much they're going to charge us. Let's see. Right, you can put up this little temperature thermometer thingy if you wanted to place that up during the COVID weather times. I call it COVID weather. Um, yeah, something, not something I necessarily wanted to do. I do love the whole countdown timer as how long I've been at home, which would have been a great feature to utilize to like start a vlog and like vlog every day with that timer, but didn't know it was there on BeLive. So you have option to put up all these different screens. As you can see, I'm just kind of playing around with it and putting up some of the different screens that you have that you can kind of show. Um, Overall, BeLive is a really great tool. So if you're thinking about taking your live streams to the next level, once again, this is the countdown timer that I sell as a Canva template that you can actually edit, and I also provide you with a tutorial video on how to do so. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about how my experience using BeLive, or if you want to know if there's something that you can do on BeLive, please go ahead and leave that down below in the comment section. You can also hit me at jawspeaksdigital on all social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you wellness in life and in business. Peace.